Meaning of land yacht.
Land yacht.
Land yacht.
Land yacht.
Land yacht. Land yacht is a term commonly used to refer to a large, luxurious, and typically expensive car or vehicle that offers a smooth, comfortable ride on the road. The term is often applied to vehicles such as limousines or large sedans, especially those that are notable for their size, comfort and luxury features. In some cases, the term may also refer to RVs or other large recreational vehicles that are designed for comfortable and luxurious travel on land. Overall, the term land yacht is used to describe any large and luxurious vehicle that is designed to provide a comfortable and enjoyable ride over long distances.